Despite already being in use, Michigan's newly redrawn legislative district maps are facing a challenge. A lawsuit alleges the districts are unfairly drawn and discriminate against Black voters and Black candidates. Now, just this week, it was decided to move the case forward to trial in federal court.
When you're looking at the rights of African American citizens in our communities, they shouldn't have to make a decision on, well, if we move forward with selecting votes that comply with the Voting Rights Act, then we can't have a majority. That's not true.
Plaintiffs allege that the newly drawn district maps dilute the voting power of African American constituents in the Detroit metro area. They claim the maps violate the 14th Amendment, which allows for equal protection under the law, and the Voting Rights Act of 1965.
There's a substantial amount of evidence, including testimony from commissioners themselves, that the commission used racial quotas to draw these maps, and that's illegal.
In addition, he tells me, the new maps stretch from the heart of Detroit into the suburbs.
The maps, if you look at them, they fracture what is a compact and very populated African American community, and they fracture that community into numerous districts. And when you fracture a community, you dilute its voting strength.
The consequences, according to the plaintiffs, these maps will make it more difficult for Black politicians even to win primaries, not just general elections.
We're talking again about an area that has historically, for over 50 years, been afforded protection under the Voting Rights Act. The last map that we operated under, we had 5 districts in the Senate that had majority Black populations. The commission drew 0.
The map drawing process was a long and complicated one, completed by the Michigan Independent Citizens Redistricting Commission. Edward Woods III, who now is the executive director of the commission, tells me the group wasn't surprised to see lawsuits over their work.
Our attorneys have briefed us very well about the court case and what's going on. We are not surprised at all that we're going to trial.
Instead, he tells me,
we are fully confident in our legal team to defend our fair maps at trial. The whole goal of all the districts was to follow the 7 ranked redistricting criteria as listed in the Constitution. We believe that we did that. We obviously were going to court. So we're looking forward to addressing those issues when we go to trial.
Now, for the moment, there is no set date for this federal trial to begin. For now, reporting in Lansing, I'm Elle Myers, CBS News, Detroit.